Hello, I'm gonna share a little kind of a adventure that I had with replacing the power jack on my Lenovo P1 ThinkPad. And so you can see that here it's the one that I managed to break somehow. So this is you can see that the whole power jack is pretty much broken because there's a hollow square, a rectangular part that where your power cable fits in. That's completely broken, so there is no fix for it. The only fix is that you're gonna have to replace it. So this is how a good one looks like. So I bought it off from Amazon. It's not a new part. It's very hard to find a new part for the older laptops. So there was a used one, a pretty good one. I think it's cost me about $9. That was good. So this is how it looks like. So this is your 9-pin cable that is going to be connecting. So this is the little cable which is little kind of, there's no explanation for it. Finally I found it, that what this is that when you put the power in, this one will glow. This is more of a LED, so you don't have to worry too much about it. So this is how this assembly looks like. I'm not going to show you how to open the screws of your back. You already know it if you're replacing it. So this is where this assembly is. So there are like 4 screws that you're going to have to open to get access to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this 9-pin connector in. That is the main. If you want, so you can try to set the LED cable in. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Even if you don't manage to do it, it's fine. So once you have that, the main thing is the 9-pin connector. Once this is all in, put this jack correctly so that it doesn't start wiggling, and that's the end of it. And that's all you need to do. And this is now you're all set. So now that is left is closing the assembly. So there's a trick to it to close the assembly. This one is not straightforward, so you're gonna have to open it, and